Hey guys, hope everyone is good and healthy and doing well. Guys, have you seen the night sky after dark, after sunset? The stars are moving. The stars are moving, my bro. That never used to happen. What is going on? And I saw these videos on the internet, on YouTube. I'm chilling outside because I love the night. I saw, but the stars are moving at quite a rapid speed for stars. Check this out. Oh my gosh, that is not an aeroplane. Like, I'm looking at it right now. Look how it's moving. Like what? Like what the hell? You! Those are alien ships. Now I'm thinking, are they spying on us? I have questions and I need answers, like ASAP. That is unusual. We do expect to see phenomenon in the skies, but it's happening so fast. I thought it might be centuries down the line, but the last day is here. And what is this shit flying in the sky at night? Are y'all spying? Are y'all looking for something? Are you abducting? What are you doing? What are you doing? Government? Hello? Have you seen that? Okay. We need answers.